Welcome to our tutorial on how to recover Snapchat streak. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now go to your profile. At the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now at the top right, you can see this settings icon. Click on it and scroll down. At the bottom, you're gonna see this section for support. And under that, you can see the option of I need help. Tap on it. Now here, just scroll down and tap on this option of contact us. Now here you have to select this option of I lost my snap streak. Scroll down. Now here you have to select the option of how do I restore my snap streak. Scroll down, tap on this option of yes. Now you have to fill up this information and submit to Snapchat support. Firstly, type in your username, email address, mobile number and select the device. Now here type in the username of the friend with whom you have lost the snap streak. Likewise, here you have to type in when did you start having this issue. Now here you have to type in how long was your snap streak before it expired. Mine was 200. Here you have to select this option of no. And here you have to describe about your problem. You can type in as I have. Hello Snapchat support, I lost all my streaks even though I was active. Please help me restore my streaks with, and type in the name of the friend. And after you fill up this information, tap on this option of submit. After you submit request to the Snapchat support, your snap streak will be recovered with the mentioned person within few days. You have to wait until then. So this is how you can recover Snapchat streak. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.